Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy, your go-to channel for everything business and entrepreneurship. Today we're looking into a hot topic that's transforming how we approach business ideas in 2024, ChatGPT. Yes, this powerful AI tool is making it easier than ever to brainstorm, refine, and launch business ideas. Let's explore ChatGPT business ideas to start in 2024. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with actionable steps to turn those ideas into reality. So let's start with how ChatGPT can assist in generating business ideas. It's simple. By using the right prompts, ChatGPT can spark creativity and help you think outside the box. For example, you can ask, what are some trending business ideas in 2024? Or suggest innovative services for the health industry. ChatGPT will instantly give you a list of ideas tailored to your question. It's like having a business consultant available 24/7. But ChatGPT doesn't just throw out random ideas. It provides insightful and unique concepts you may not have considered. Plus, it helps you refine those ideas into actionable plans. Let's take a look at some top ChatGPT-generated business ideas for 2024. 1. Translation services. With globalization on the rise, businesses need translation services to connect with international clients. ChatGPT can help you identify target languages, industries to focus on, and even suggest ways to market your service. A great opportunity if you're multilingual. 2. Product description writing. E-commerce businesses need compelling product descriptions to boost sales. ChatGPT can assist in writing these descriptions and help you land freelance gigs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 3. Social media management. With so many brands relying on social platforms, managing online presence is a high-demand service. ChatGPT can suggest tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to streamline your workflow and help schedule content across different platforms. 4. Email marketing solutions. ChatGPT can help you segment email lists, craft personalized campaigns, and even automate the whole process, making it easy to manage for small businesses. 5. SEO agency. Every business wants to rank higher on Google, and you can help them get there. ChatGPT will assist in keyword research, content optimization, and even technical SEO audits. Now that you've got some ideas, how do you refine them into something real? Let me give you a few quick tips. Tip 1. Conduct market research. Always do your homework. Use ChatGPT to find out market trends, competitors, and what customers are actually looking for. Tip 2. Seek feedback. Share your ideas with peers, mentors, or even ChatGPT itself. Feedback can help you identify strengths and areas for improvement. Tip 3. Create a business plan. Finally, outline a solid business plan. ChatGPT can guide you on the essential parts like financial projections, marketing strategies, and long-term goals. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can transform how you brainstorm and refine business ideas. It simplifies the process by offering tailored suggestions, acting like a business consultant that's always available. From translation services to product description writing, social media management, email marketing, and SEO agencies, ChatGPT can help you unlock innovative opportunities in 2024. Whether you're looking to freelance or start your own business, these ideas are a great starting point. With ChatGPT's assistance, turning these concepts into reality is within reach. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Truehost Academy, and drop a comment below with your favorite business idea. See you in the next video, and remember, your next big business could be just one AI prompt away.